I'm Cole.
I'm Sam.
And I'm Louisa.
And we're reading 101 Ways to Bug Your Teacher. By Lee Wardlaw. And we have a lip circle video about an aha moment.
So, Sneeze just discovered that his mom was pregnant, and his dad just told him that it was true.
And so, Lisa, why was he so, mad about this? Yeah. And last time they did the high school thing, they actually gave him a fish to give him a warning. They always do that. Yeah. And also, I think this is an aha moment for him because now he was thinking about it all day until
Wait,
this
no,
time.
I think the fish that he got might have been actually for this.
I know, because his dad told him.
Oh yeah.
So I think he was thinking about it all, and he was like, okay, this is it. I'm getting a brother or sister. Yeah.
That's kind of all.
Yeah.
Bye.
So that was our lip circle discussion about aha moment for Sneeze from 101 Ways to Bug Your Teacher by Lee Wardlaw.